Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install APK files on Android TV without using a USB drive. Let's begin. I'll show you two important apps that are extremely useful for every Android TV: Downloader and APK Mirror Installer. With these two apps, you'll be able to install almost any app you want, including apps that are not available on the Google Play Store. First, let's talk about Downloader. Downloader is a simple but very powerful app that helps you download APK files directly onto your Android TV without needing a computer or USB drive. It also works like a browser, allowing you to open websites, enter download links, and install third-party apps easily. To install Downloader, open the Google Play Store on your Android TV and search for Downloader, install the app, and then open it. The first time you launch it, allow file access and enable installation from unknown sources if prompted. Once that's done, Downloader is ready to use. Now all you need to do is paste the APK link into Downloader, press Go, and the file will begin downloading directly onto your Android TV. However, there's another important thing you should know. Not all APK files can be installed normally. Some Android TV apps come in special formats such as APKM, XAPK, or APKS files. Android TV cannot install these formats directly on its own. That's where the APK Mirror Installer becomes useful. APK Mirror Installer is designed to install split APK files and other complex APK formats that regular Android installation cannot handle. To get started, open the Google Play Store again and search for APK Mirror Installer. Install it and open the app. Once your APK file has been downloaded, open APK Mirror Installer and select the downloaded file from the Downloads folder. The app will automatically detect the file, unpack it, and install it on your Android TV or TV box. Now let's talk about downloading APK files safely. To avoid fake apps, viruses, or malware, always use trusted APK websites such as APK Mirror or APK Pure. Simply copy the APK download link from those websites, paste it into Downloader, and install the file using APK Mirror Installer if needed. These two apps make it possible to install apps that are not available on the Google Play Store. You can install browsers, IPTV apps, VPNs, launchers, media players, and many other applications without needing a computer or USB drive. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.